I get so fired up talking about the Honorable Ketanji Brown Jackson. So fired up that I want you all at home to be feeling the fire in the balls of your feet. So at home, as I say fired up, I want you to say ready for her. It's Women's History Month. So I really want you to get really excited. We used to say growing up, get crunk about it when you get to the her. Fired up, ready for her. I can tell y'all are getting into it. So when we talk about engaging your community, it's about what kind of nation do we want to be reflected in our court and in its decisions. And that's important community by community. Just like each and every one of us are a whole lot of things in one, right? I am Black, I'm a woman, I am same gender loving, I am a Christian, I'm a mother, I'm all these things at once. Our court also should have those experiences. Our Supreme Court should also have all of those things. And so when you communicate to those on social media and off of social media, speak plainly from your experience, from your life. How has the court impacted you? Are you someone who's been able to benefit from the Affordable Care Act because the US Supreme Court upheld it? Talk about that. Are you a person like me who is a same gender loving person who is able to marry the person you love, the love of your life, because of the court, or are now able not to be fired from your job because of the court? Talk about your experience. If you are able to have the kind of reproductive health care that you need because of Roe versus Wade, or able to seek an abortion and not have the government in your uterus, talk about the court's impact on your life. Engage others. Talk to them about what it means to have someone on the bench that has a well-rounded experience when it comes to the criminal justice system, has an uncle who is or has served time behind bars, has another uncle who is a major law enforcement official, has been someone who's been a public defender and all types of different kinds of attorneys and judges, and have been on all angles of the court, and can talk about what it feels like to have cousins who have engaged in different aspects of our criminal justice system. You want someone who you don't have to guess understands how that case is going to impact different parts of who you are in different parts of your communities and families. And often you can tell by who's invited to their family cookout. And what we know just by looking at Judge Ketanji Brown Jackson's family is that she has people of a variety of races, a variety of cultural backgrounds and experiences, a variety of careers, not just attorneys and folks who are in professional white collar jobs. We know that she is someone who's going to be able to talk about your experiences from her own experience. But what's most important in this moment is that you mobilize and encourage your own community members and yourself to share your experiences, the impact of the court on your life, and in the tipping point moment that we're in with this nation today, that we're not going to go backwards like in 1896 with Plessy versus Ferguson, when separate but equal became the law in the land. But instead, we are going to move forward as a country with the multicultural democracy and government. And that really has to be shown in the United States Supreme Court. And we can do that with you. Let your US senators know who you are and why this case matters to you. Let your community know that and encourage them to do the same thing, to slide into some DMs about making phone calls and texts and social media tweets, etc. And most importantly, phone calls and office visits. You'll learn more about that with the rest of this training. But be sure that in all of it, you center your experiences and those that you love. We can do this together.